Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too, thanks. And Alhamdulillah, we can meet again today in good health. And as usual, before we start the study, I will check your attendance, please. And if I mention your name, you say present. For the first is Adi in here, Aisyah, Caca, Cika, Dede, and Farid. Okay, in this class is complete students for today. Okay, students, today we will discuss about application letter. In this topic is, do you know how apply for a job? Anyone knows what is application letter? And the meaning is, do you know how to apply for a job is bagaimana kita membuat suatu surat lamaran pekerjaan. Okay, next I will tell you about the application letter. An application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job. Jadi di surat lamaran kerja ini merupakan surat yang formal atau resmi yang ditulis untuk melamar suatu pekerjaan. And in another definition is, an application letter is an important information and includes the reasons for applying for the position. Jadi surat lamaran kerja ini informasi yang penting dan termasuk alasan kalian itu untuk melamar kerja, dan adapun tujuan atau purpose in application letter. The purpose is to apply for a job. Jadi sudah jelas ya, tujuannya itu untuk melamar pekerjaan. And the next, there are 7 parts of the application letters. For the first one is your address. Your address is alamat kamu yang akan melamar pekerjaan itu. Contoh di sini, Widyarini, Jalan Candi 25, Malang 65154. It is have called application address or your address. For the second is the address of the company you are writing to. Use complete title and address, don't abbreviate. Jadi alamat perusahaannya itu harus complete, harus spesifik, dan di dalam contoh sini bisa dilihat Miss Felix Diansyah, Manager, Apika Plaza, Jalan Ahmad Yani 25, Sukamakmur 65126. Nah, jadi alamat perusahaan itu lengkap, dan this part is called employer's address. And the third is, always make an effort to write directly to the person in chance of hearing. And in here jelas ya, jadi ditujukannya untuk siapa, kita tuliskan Dear Mr. Felix Diansyah, nama lengkap, dan sebutan lain juga. Ini adalah bagian dari salutation. Okay, the next is for the fourth, opening paragraph. Use this paragraph to specify which job you are applying for, or if you are writing to inquire whether a job position is open. Question the availability of an opening. Jadi dalam opening paragraph ini kalian dapat menjelaskan kalian ingin di posisi apa melamar pekerjaan ini, dan kalian itu menemukan berita atau lowongan pekerjaan itu dari mana, kalian bisa sebutkan dalam opening paragraph. And di contoh ini ada kalimatnya itu, I'm writing to apply for the sales executive position advertised in Suara Perubahan yesterday. As requested, attached, please find my complete resume and recent photograph of mine. Jadi dia menulis ini untuk menjadi posisi sebagai sales. Dia dapat berita ini dari Suara Perubahan sesuai permintaan dia. Dia telah menemukan pekerjaan ini itu dari berita Suara Perubahan. And the next is middle paragraph or body in paragraph. This section should be used to highlight your work experience which most closely match the desired job requirements present in the job opening advertisement. Do not simply restate what is contained in your resume, but give strong reason why you are suited to the position. Jadi di bagian isi paragrafnya itu berisi tentang pengalaman kamu selama bekerja, atau kamu lulusan dari mana, pernah bekerja di mana, bisa dituliskan di dalam middle paragraph or body. Contoh di teks ini, I believe that I have all of the qualification needed for the job. I graduated from a repute college 2 years. I can speak English and Indonesian fluently, and I am very skillful in using computer. My previous experience as a sales executive in a stationery company is suitable for the position. Jadi penulis menjelaskan bahwa dia telah memenuhi kualifikasi untuk melamar pekerjaan di bidang ini. Dia pernah bekerja 3 tahun sebelumnya, dan dia mampu berbicara bahasa Inggris dan Indonesia secara lancar. Lalu dia sangat mahir dalam komputer juga. And the sixth is closing paragraph. Use the closing paragraph to ensure action on the part of the reader. One possibility is to ask for an interview, appointment time. Make it easy for the personnel department to contact you by providing your telephone number and email address. Jadi in closing paragraph itu dia menjelaskan bersedia untuk diinterview, dan jika ingin menghubungi pelamar bisa hubungi email. Di dalam teks ini, I am looking forward to having interview with you, and I can be contacted at liarini@gmail.com or her number. And the last part is always sign the application letter. Jadi tentunya pada paling akhir itu bagiannya tanda tangan si pelamar, the signature. Simply yours, Widyarini in the text. Okay, students. Any question for this material? Apakah dipahami atau ada pertanyaan? Jadi saya akan ngasih tugas ke kalian dalam lembar kerja siswa itu. Kalian mampu menuliskan application letter, surat lamaran kerja. Nanti tugasnya dikumpulkan untuk pertemuan selanjutnya. Mungkin pertemuan sekarang kita cukupkan sekarang. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.